Hello and welcome to this video. This is part 2 of the shogi board that Let's Catch a Lion board that I'm making out of cardboard. I'm really happy with the way it turns out, so keep watching. So this was a real experiment to see if I could make this sort of like a skeleton that I wrap in paper, and it's not as clean as I had hoped it to be, but I actually like it. It feels like the way a firework, certain fireworks look, and so it has like a cool look to me, and I think I'm gonna go with it. So I suppose if you wanted to be more precise, you could cut pieces of paper that were the exact shape you needed. One difficulty is gluing to the cardboard is it has these grooves right here, like these hollows, and so you're trying to glue just to these like thin ends of the paper. And so the glue doesn't want to stick as well as you would want it to. Also, I had thought of making it hollow out of just solid pieces of paper just thick pieces of paper that tapered and bent like this. But to get the pattern made for each piece of paper, then glue the two pieces of paper edge to edge, seems way more challenging. So I like this solution. If a person wasn't interested in this solution, you could make the whole thing solid and carve it out, or I don't know, there's other options, but I am happy enough with this. Okay, so this is the final thing. I added these, which I didn't film, but I meant to do it all along, but I kept forgetting. So there's this little ribbon that you pull out, and then there's this thing here that bends down and props it up. And there's the same thing on the other side. And what's that for? What that's for is, okay, so the reason why this is here is because if this piece captures that piece, this player can take this piece and put it in any of these open spaces. And so that's what these little side tables are for, is for the pieces that you've captured that can then be played later. So, pretty happy with the way it turned out. I forgot to put the dots on this one, but I'm happy with the way this fake wood turned out. And I like these little shelf things because if I want, I can store the pieces inside there. And there it is. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and please consider checking out some of my other videos.